Aliexpress Fast Dropshipping. Use this method to do fast dropshipping on AliExpress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do fast dropshipping using AliExpress. So let's start. When it comes to AliExpress, we create our own dropshipping business and we sell products from China. We are selling Chinese based products. But when it comes to AliExpress, we know that it takes months for products to arrive. And sometimes when our customer orders a product and we dropship the product, we order it from AliExpress and the order takes like a month to arrive. That person cancels the order and they want a refund. We give them the refund, and after that, the product arrives. So, in this case, we always wonder that if there is any method we can actually, do this process very quickly and we can actually send products, do drop shipping using AliExpress, but using a platform that will actually help us do drop shipping fast and we can send products through anywhere around the world within days. So this video is for you, all the dropshippers out there, all of the small business owners that are looking for a platform to send their parcels. So what you have to do is, of course, you will open up your store and you have your online store. It doesn't matter where you have your online store, what platform you're using. You can use both of the mentioned platforms. So first thing that you can do is you can use ups.com. ups.com allows you to send your products around the world. It's the fastest shipping method out there. And by fastest, I mean that you can actually get your product from China in 2 days or 3 days to US. So that is crazy fast. And if that is happening, then why not use UPS for our dropshipping business? So let me show you around UPS so that you will have an idea how to use it. Simply go to ups.com to get more idea about it, and then you will simply create your own account. UPS is available all around the world, so you will be able to find a UPS store in your city where you live. And you can do direct, payments, and you can do direct shipment through that store as well. But you can also use UPS online. When it comes to the different services provided by UPS, we have shipping, tracking, international trade, integrating UPS technology, and explore all services option is available, where we will be able to check all the services on the website. So UPS is really good because we can also track our order when it is being shipped. UPS is available in more than 220 plus countries, and then there are different tools and technologies that really help you control your shipment. You will be able to save time and get more productive and sell more products to your customer. You can actually do volume shipping with UPS. Then there are different multi-carrier shipment, so that you will be able to add products that are like 70 kg, more than 70 kg of shipment is available on UPS. You can simply go ahead and sign up with your Google account, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, or Twitter. Simply type in your email address, set up a password, and then you will be able to sign up for UPS. Once you have your UPS, after that, you will be able to use it. Now, it depends on you to explore UPS more, but this is one of the platforms that you can use, and it's pretty good for your shipments around the world. You can send your products to Africa from China in like 3 days. Then you can also send products from US to other countries. You can send, of course, you will be doing drop shipping from China because you're using AliExpress, so you can drop ship your products with UPS. When it comes to the fee of UPS, then you can simply go ahead and actually calculate the fee for your parcel. Yes, it is actually going to be a little more expensive than AliExpress, because on AliExpress it's very cheap. So you will actually have to invest a little to make your business grow and to make it actually faster. Then you will be able to do fast drop shipping with AliExpress. Another platform that I would like to mention when it comes to fast drop shipping, you can use DHL. So these are actually, different shipment platforms that allow you to send different products, documents, parcels from one country to another. When it comes to DHL, it's a pretty reliable source. You can simply go ahead and add your products, and then you can simply go ahead and track your product with DHL as well. When it comes to packages, you can send your domestic and international packages with DHL. So why not do drop shipping with DHL? Because we can actually get our products from AliExpress, and then we can use DHL to send the product to our customers, because we know that AliExpress takes way too long, and the products are drop shipped from China, and the products are pretty cheap. It's sometimes wholesale. When it comes to the shipment duration, and then it's going to be very long. So what we want to do is we want to improve it, and we can use DHL. When it comes to DHL, we will be able to track our product and then ship our product as well. The signing up process for DHL is really easy. You can simply go ahead and sign up. You can simply sign up with your email address and set up a password. Again, DHL is also available around the world, and you will be able to send your products very easily and fast. There are other options as well, such as DHL Express and DHL Freight, but we want to go for a simple DHL will also work, and you can simply go ahead and send your products. DHL is going, also there is a fee for DHL. Let me actually go ahead and show you the fee for UPS and DHL so that you will have an idea. Let me show you the zones and rates for UPS so that you will have an idea about the affordability and how the fees works. When it comes to UPS, from services and rates to packaging and payment, there is going to be an additional charge, and it depends totally on your package. What's the weight of your package? What is the size? When you are actually shipping your product, you get to know that what is going to be the price, and you can simply go ahead and while setting up the product to ship, you can simply go ahead and check your charges, and that will actually help you know that what is that you will be paying for the delivery charges. Similarly, if we talk about the fee on DHL, then when we are sending a product, for example, I'm sending a package. So when you send a package, you simply go ahead and you add the details, you add address, you add the pickup. So your fee will depend on the distance, the weight of the package, and the length. Once you are adding your package, then we add all of the details. After that, you preview and you know that what fee you will be paying, and then we have confirmed shipment. So the fee is not that expensive. Of course, you will need to invest a little when it comes to DHL and UPS. I will not deceive you by saying that it is completely free. It is not. You will have to pay a fee as you do on AliExpress as well, but the benefits that come with these platform is that you will be able to do fast drop shipping, and there is no more delayed packages, no more delayed deliveries. You will be able to simply do fast drop shipping using AliExpress, and now you can simply run a successful business on AliExpress. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to do fast AliExpress drop shipping. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.